So how about if the question says, what is the product of f of x and g of x? So question number 3 could be, what is the product of f of x and g of x? So what is the product of f of x and g of x? We are still referring to this line segment. So if that's the question that you are asked to solve, here's the solution. So you write your first function. The general way you can write it would be f of x dot g of x, or you can write it as fg dot x. So these are two ways you can write it. And the bottom line is, all you're doing is take the first function, which is x plus 2, then multiply it with the second function, which is x squared plus 2x plus 3. And in this case, what's the technique that we need to use in order to create a new function out of these two? Thank you. We have to distribute. So use distributive property. So we can say that the product, which is a new function, we can call it product dx is, so now let's do the distributive property. So x times x squared is what?
X cubed.
X cubed, x raised to power 3. Then we move on. Plus x times 2x is?
2x squared.
2x squared. Thank you. Then next, x times 3 is?
3x.
3x. Okay, so we are done with x. Now let's go to 2. 2 times x squared is going to be what?
2x squared.
2x squared. 2 times 2x is what?
4x.
Plus 4x. And 2 times 3 is what?
6.
Plus 6. So we draw down our line and we bring it down. This is 6 plus, this one is 7x plus 2x plus 2x should give us what? 4x squared plus x raised to power 3. And that's going to be a new function that we just obtained. Okay? Any questions so far?